Have you ever stopped to think about what happens when you close your eyes and fall asleep? Sleep seems peaceful, but your brain is in full swing. It's a biological machine that never turns off, and what it does while you're dreaming may surprise you. Get ready to discover 7 incredible facts. Hi 1. The brain does a nighttime cleaning. Yes, while you sleep, a special system called glymphatic system is activated. It pumps a fluid that cleanses toxins accumulated during the day, including proteins associated with neurological diseases. It's as if your brain has its own personal laundry room, working hard to keep it running smoothly. This cleansing is vital for your health and preventing future problems, ensuring you wake up with a fresh mind. Fact 2. You get paralyzed during REM sleep. Luckily, your brain protects us from acting out our dreams. During REM sleep, motor neurons are turned off, preventing you from getting out of bed and possibly hurting yourself. That's why sometimes when you wake up, you feel like you can't move for a few seconds. It's sleep paralysis. A scary feeling, but an essential protection of your body. Fact 3. Sleep consolidates your memories. Sleep isn't just about rest. It's essential for learning and memory. During deep sleep, the brain reviews and strengthens the neural connections formed during the day. It decides what to keep and what to discard, transforming short-term information into long-term memories. So if you want to learn something new, get a good night's sleep. Your mind will thank you. Fact 4. Dreams can solve problems. It's not just a movie thing. Your brain is working on solutions while you dream. It accesses information in a non-linear way, creating new connections and insights that you may not have had waking up. Many scientists and artists have reported having brilliant ideas or solutions to complex problems while they were asleep. So next time you're faced with a problem, maybe the solution is waiting for you in the dream world. Fact 5. Animals dream too. If you have a pet, you've probably seen them running or barking while they sleep. This happens because their brains also go through phases of REM sleep, just like ours. They consolidate memories and process experiences from the day, just like we do. So the next time you see your pet dreaming, know that he is consolidating his own adventures. Fact 6. Nightmares are more than just bad dreams. They are a way for your brain to process difficult emotions. A nightmare may be your mind's way of dealing with stress, anxiety, or unresolved everyday trauma. Think of them as a safety mechanism, preparing you to deal with similar challenges in real life. Fact 7. You don't dream in black and white. Most people dream in color, although we don't always remember it. The idea of black and white dreams comes from ancient studies and the influence of old television and movies. More recent research shows that people who grew up with color television report dreaming in color much more often. So, which of these facts surprised you the most? Your brain is really fascinating, isn't it? Leave your comment below. If you liked the video, leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more amazing facts. See you next time.